sacking Otto Addo.
Sir.
Yes, there was no BBH now Otto Addo coaching person or if every person must son. Because first of all, not coaching one apply so or person or blaster coach. And I
apply there you apply.
Into coaching I apply. And I know previous records so that one any. And I want apply and I over 50 coaches say apply and a hand picking or any day you man criteria if for person will be also a coach blaster and no. So criteria no omiti emu back one. None of the 6 or 5 criteria and now Otto Addo omiti. And he said the Jumana mana, it means if a foreign himself one, a Juman won't mean only exceptional, and they are not willing or ready to sack him, said no man uncle here. So the issue of say I mean to bear how many hours near 12 decision taking near that me who say a sabi a idea no credit.
And you no credit.
Me who say because there's no willingness. There is no willingness. You see, it's not like our track record be a papa. Internet say, oh, why be a baby da? Until all ya any probably a man a chance kakra.
Which me I
be Madiba air boy your friends and Sir Les Ferguson D. Now let's Ferguson Eddie Aberdeen. Menyesho mposa munubi achi umudinda. Or the Aberdeen Aji European Cup. Or no one a ball final. Only Real Madrid in the ball final. Not Real Madrid team very star-studded. So they know Munyane say Real Madrid beshe JC Aba Park so. Na referee abo we so say yapon munje cup na mo fonko. Sir Les Ferguson issue mu 2-1. So nti so oba baby na say enye ya no obi wetima transformer Aberdeen ade omaji European Cup there. It means oyeden owo ade track record bi a o man em break akra obetima ye bibi. Ananya sanity. Ali usise mu start here no. Now there was improvement upon improvement. Enye dry sir. Ananya sir, na dry sir. We are completely dry. Because Ali Usisi Mustatian, now there was no point at your say Omuntimi qualify for Cup of Nation. But we do bra on team qualify for Cup of Nation. Only Niger, any Sudan, any Angola, any group. Only Niger, Sudan, and Angola, and no group. When team qualify, in fact, he ended up being last on the group. And I said, he ended up being so. Everything suggests that coaching on Yadi. Everything. Only baby Abaka say, Oko Borussia Dortmund, Oko who say no coaching my team, no movie in the German league. Ebin yo. And Ebin yo say no coaching Borussia Dortmund under 15 team, Omuji league, or under 15 level. Ebin yo. In any case, na omu pe katria no, omu katria no omu tuja, na omu nkaso omu pe coach or coach under 15, and also your friends say first team scout and
15 years.
15 years coaching experience. None of the criteria no qualify. None of them. None of them. Say I discuss. So best work was after so. None of the criteria and no coaching qualify. And what we said at the channel, and qualify criteria ni B. And a why jumadi B. And all track record. Oh baby, and a down na yaka say oh coach no na yaka na asem. Emre bi etwem. Oye BBC. Oye BBC. Nti ye man bra obetima ye BBC. Sade no eni ho no kwame. It is not there. Eni ho. So nti say any kasa your friend is saying it was a tough decision in a friend say omba kasa omba authority be call na so be stay ni dia. Me no mo nya adwene. Me who say enya ade bia e dia sa statement go say so. Because coach no unqualified that.
I'm saying a tough decision pa.
Coach no unqualified that.
Now we need say unqualified, but not if you need to qualify, no more far from.
So Minjini say if you for na bodam.
Obianka soma Debbie and West Debbie.
Minjini soma bodam.
Oh West.
Me say Minjini say if you for na bodam na ka catch me say criteria no mo to no no munim say Otto Addo unqualified.
Debbie from there
hwehwe criteria no mame.
There who can idea.
Me say tie.
Me tie pa.
O say to me no. Me na me hu so.
Una na hu ni say unqualified. But if for no mo de criteria be to on fa ni say o me ye adwuma.
Abanye ti senior e de obi o fi ba no.
Ana me say Minjini say if you for na bodam ti no mo fa no. Because clearly no. Obi o more than bia nim say Otto Addo unqualified. If that is where you want to take me to, that is what I'm also do.
David, nyaboti.
So boss na tie me.
Nyaboti.
Me say obia ohun criteria na efifo na do tu dwa no say yenye den yemfa coach omo pe coach amana coach Blaster no omo so obi a oye proven winner na one of the criteria oye proven winner na Otto Addo has no record e obi a cheso oye proven winner ye ka proven winner e be a Pep Guardiola e be a Prosper Nati Ogum proven winner. So Otto Addo no only those criteria be and omo ka say sanipa on qualify one of the criteria and I say 2 out of the 6. Almost say the coach must meet the following criteria. The key word. And none of the criteria do not qualify. Almost say also the coach or coach men's top senior national team over 15 years experience. Only be. Almost also a coach or identity or brand or bo. Otto Addo only be. The worst case scenario, Ghana a share go against I think Niger, right? Take no, against Niger. You take the coach walks. Me who be that?
And then no say player no say go no. Player no say go no. So sa anodinaba. Odene banyina na ni wo ho say akro de odene ba be dey. Ana akwa ba no be take kan ma ga.
Mariano Barato my friends Ishmaelado your friends Omani Debi o akra Ishmael Shegu. No, sorry. Na man coach Kisepe Dusu na Emma Ishmaelado. Ghana necessarily show more 5-0. Ishmael Beshegu won. This Dosina did not walk onto the field.
So Biana na adwene senior.
Coach I friend Mariano Barato Emma Samoa Jan Debi. World Cup qualifier. He didn't walk onto the pitch.
Na make us
Biana na show how weak and poor the coach is. Very poor.
Weak and poor.
Very weak and poor. Very weak and poor. Okay, we 5 criteria and I said 6. Madiba muna mako school.
5.
5.
The one. The potential head coach should be a proven winner in coaching top men's national team or club football.
In coaching top men, top key emphasis is top men national team or club football. It means one.
Or a 0.
A 0 because specifics no mun here no. 1. Otto Addo enye your friend say proven winner e national team coach mu onye bia because over back to Blasters now over back say omudi criteria we two over back no win only one match one against South Korea, right? And I guess sure. No win one in 90 minutes no win one match
draw there no about
national team and the senior club level so na you need any proud notice say wa coach club way e won mo e bia league e wo e bia Sao Tome and Principe and I say Sri Lanka ama we win 2 matches na sa e bi ni so a 0 madi be yanko
2 must have a football philosophy that aligns or complements our DNA.
So what is even our DNA? Ye Ghana for born na ye born. Ye DNA na ene dey hin.
Say the cat mo call and chase say our football DNA am go copy from England for one. Time Benalepe mo call and chase no. And say DNA na all can say ka also to other the airline
must have a football philosophy. So you see I'm telling the FA to say that if some more Otto Addo the philosophy or what omo for trouble international so no Otto Addo no po betima kan ya na ye mpoye kan ya tiase because we poor
but say also this one say Otto Addo he never coached anywhere for us to see the prior to Ghana man that appointment no scout ewo Dortmund. And no scout on kola
as a trainer scout
at times if you know obey ya stand good kakra. And there was somebody on leading and what DNA did he have prior to Ghana there? So one of them so 2 no so count.
So number 3.
3 must hold the highest football license in the world with over 15 years experience in football.
For the license there or highest?
15 years.
Over 15 years.
Must so we are bro for natural.
Must no crown. Must
hold the highest football license in the world with over 15 years. So it means silences no nyaya or say good 15 years and say qualify so we Blaster coach. That was the brofo no kanyina no. We nya legal terms. We pure English.
Is it the senior on one
continue. For so say proven track record in team reconstruction,
organization and development of young talent.
On the kakra.
Oh,
Young talent say Haaland mu nyina no don ba
development of no. Haaland was a proven winner. He was already scoring for Salzburg. He was already scoring.
But all scouts.
He
was already playing for a Division 2 club in Norway.
But all scouts.
Norway for then France. Norway didn't fall under 17 tournament. I'm not sure made 20 goals in 3 matches.
All scouting bi. I know buy so you
Ogo Bombo na Okobo ansa na Oba Salzburg. Ansa na Salzburg for Ayrton or Ediama friends. Borussia Dortmund.
No, I said Champions League goals.
No, I said Champions League.
Hat-trick now Champions League.
Before so Baba, your friends Borussia Dortmund. So I say, you see, you are looking at only the young talent. Or see team reconstruction. I did not say. No, we're far. No, he must have that one. It must have a proven track record. It was say, or what they be a that why I say way. I did not say I'm an bidder and never could you mean and I an organization. Now, what this organization for what this organizing blasters? Coach we.
And I saw buy of free players of some.
I said, and
what and I was saying, proving disciplinary, tactician, and leadership skills. Leadership skills were Philly. Coach we. And you know, qualify some the never back. And so, if you catch it, say they were having a tough decision, a tough time making a decision about whether to make him stay. And I say, go on. I'll call Archie for you. Now, they do come on. How they arrived at coaching in C.
Me I say,
oh, ye munti ba Tazi Obekasa.
I know Alhaji Abubakar Razak. And what's in currency?